Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our Python learning series. In the last video, we explored Python syntax, semantics, and indentation tools, the foundation of writing clean and readable code. Today, we are learning about variable. This is very essential whether you are working in data analysis, app development, machine learning. So, let's get started. So, what is variable? Variable are like container for storing data value. Like a variable is a label we put on data, its name we give to a value so we can use it again and again. In Python, you don't need to declare the type, just assign a value indirectly and use it. Like variable or container in which you can store data value. Creating a variable like Python has no such a command to declare a variable like C, C++, and Java, like not like that. If you want to create a variable, just assign a value to it. Like here in the name, I have assigned my name Sweta and A equals to 3.6, and name and A are variable. If like you want to say you want to like my nation, like my, okay, nation equals to INDIA, India, and my nation is what? This is variable, and just print my nation, and you will get India. Okay. Same for creating any variable, you just need to write a name and store a value, then variable will create automatically and Python gets understand what is the data type of this variables. So you don't need to create like C, C++ and define the type of variable. In Python, that's no need. Like Python is so smart. Next, I have created two variable like x, which store integer value 5, y store string value zone, and I'm going to print both of the value and see what the result. X and sorry, for x and y, you will get 5 and John. Like if you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. Like there is a value which is look like a string, but that's not look like a integer, but you want to use it as a string. In this case, you can use it, you can do, or you can use it by you doing by doing casting. Okay. And this you have like I have created xyz three variable. X contain 3 but in string, y contain 3 but in integer, and z contain float. In z contain 3 but in float. Okay, I have put run the code and you will get like, okay. And next, if you want to get the data type of any variable, so what you need to do, you just need to use type function in the variable name, and you will get what is the data type of the variable. So I'm just here, I have just run the code, and what you will get, x contain string int value and y contain string value, and that's right. So next, if you guys are going to create a string variable, so how will create? Like using a single quote or double quote? In Python, both are same. You can use either single quote, you can use either double quote, both are the same. Like here, x and y are same, John, because both are string. Let's print, and here you can see John and John. Next, Python variable is a case sensitive. Like variable name small a and variable capital A, both are the same. Okay, like here you can see a equals to 4 and capital A equals to Sally. Okay, and if you print it, the value for a equals to small a equals to 4 and capital is equal to Sally. Means capital A will not overwrite it. What is the meaning? Just here, go and I'm just naming it Ace, capital A, sorry, small a. And let's see what happened. Capital, the value of capital A, okay, overwrite on small a in this case. That's why Python is case sensitive. Okay, means small a and capital A both are the same, both are the different. Now let's move to the rules of the variable name, like how to create the variable names. A variable can have short name like A, B, C, X, Y, Z and all, and a more descriptive name like A is your name, my name, total volume, and total age, your country name, my country name, and what and many more things. You can use it, but there is a rule to define a variable. Okay, there is a rule to create or define a Python variable. So, a Python variable name must start with a letter or a underscore character. Okay, means you can't start the variable name with special character or with number. Okay, a variable name cannot start with a number, as I told you that variable name cannot be start with a number. But okay, but let's move. But you can use it after the variable name like A1, A2, A3, but not 1A, 1, 2, 1, sorry, 1A, 1, 2A, 3A, not like that. You can use it like 1, A1, A2, A3 and all. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore. Like you can use alphanumeric like A to Z and 0 to 9 and with underscore, not any special character or not any keyword. Variable name are case sensitive like this these three age are different variable name. A variable name cannot be any of the Python keyword, like you can't use any Python keyword like print is a variable, class, you know, you def you can't use keyword as a variable. These are some legal variable name. You can use it like my where, my underscore where, underscore my underscore where, my variable true. Okay. These are some illegal variable name in Python, like starting with number, using special character, using spaces. You can't use it. Now let's move to the assigning multiple value in variable. So if you want to, like, you have to write lots of code and you want to just create all the variables in a line, then you this is for you. You can use it and it will use on where you are writing a big Python code or big code on there you can use it like here X, Y, and Z. Okay, we have assigned orange, banana, and cherry. And after printing, you can see that X contain orange, Y contain banana, and Z contain cherry. Here, another thing is assigning one value to multiple variable like X contain orange, X contain orange, contain orange, and Z also contain orange. So if you run it, then you can get like uh, all the three variables contain orange. Okay, unpacking a collection. Like if you have a collection of values in a list, tuple. I will tell you in next video what is list and tuple. Just understand that it is a collection. Python allows you to extract the value into a variable. This is called unpacking. Okay. Just understand and with example like fruits is a collection which is stored apple, banana, and cherry. Okay. And you want to you contain it with a different variable name. Okay. So just do it with x, y, z equals to fruits. So this is the syntax is for unpacking. Okay. Collection unpacking. And just I'm writing here. I have write here print x, print y, and print z. So let's see what is the result for this. So after doing this, you can see apple, banana, and cherry. Okay. So now it's your time. Okay. In the comment below, create a small program that asks your name and bill amount. Create some variables and store variable and use it. Okay. And that's all for today. Today you have learned how to use variables, store different types of data in variable. Okay. And collection and packing and all. Uh, in next video, you will learn typecasting and then you will learn data types. If you are enjoying this series, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment your code below. See you in next one. Thank you.